Join us for an introductory workshop on turning a weakness into a strength. A weakness is a habit that repeats and that we're too weak to resist. To go against such a habit, we must focus all our attention on the moment of its manifestation. We must become more conscious. At the same time, going against habit makes us more conscious. If we're used to putting our phone in our left pocket and we put it in our right pocket, then whenever it rings, our habitual momentum is broken and, if we have the aim to be more conscious, we briefly wake up. This is the easiest type of habit to resist because it is physical, rooted in the activity of our body. Resisting intellectual habits is more difficult. If we are attached to a certain point of view, a political orientation, or an angle in a philosophical discussion, then deliberately letting go of our opinion and arguing in favor of the other side requires that we be more conscious. In this case, we're also struggling against our invested identity in being right, our identification. This makes it more challenging than placing our phone in an unaccustomed pocket, as well as more rewarding. Resisting emotional habits is the most difficult and most rewarding for consciousness. All our negative emotions are rooted in the conviction that we are right. So when someone cuts before us in line, or makes an insulting comment, or annoys us in any other way, and we resist the urge to express our frustration, we go against our deepest habit, our biggest weakness, and temporarily transform the experience of who we are, of what is I. Join us for an introductory workshop on turning weakness into strength. In preparation for this workshop, observe a habit that repeats in you and that you have difficulty resisting. We will discuss your observations during the workshop to understand how they function and how they can be used for inner work.